Ag Energy's integrated biomass platform produces a large amount of charcoal as a byproduct of wheat straw gasification. Scientists call this charcoal biochar. Biochar is matter created from the carbonization of anything biological, like wheat straw. This is gasified wheat straw turned into biochar. Biochar has tiny holes that increase its surface area. The structure of biochar helps improve moisture and nutrients and helps keep microbes alive during dry seasons. Biochar is very light and increases soil aeration and rainfall penetration. When the soil is very wet, biochar retains excess water. When the soil is very dry, this water can be released back into the soil. Many biochars, including Ag Energy's biochar, have a high pH and tend to increase or buffer soil pH, reducing the risk for aluminum toxicity. How do we know Ag Energy's biochar is good for the soil? 2014 spring field trials using Ag Energy's biochar showed up to 40% higher wheat yields in biochar amended plots and up to 9 points higher soil pH in biochar amended plots. These yield results were shown in both the Department of Ecology field trials and Ag Energy's own field trials during the same season. We learned a lot from our first-year field trials. For example, Ag Energy knows that getting the biochar into the soil without costing the farmer additional time and money is of great importance. Although academic studies show results based on tons applied per acre, this won't work. It would take at least 1 truckload per acre to make a 2.85% surface application of biochar. It's too expensive and difficult to get this much of anything into the soil. However, if a farmer uses direct injection to apply biochar with the seed, this puts the biochar right where it is needed. As the seed germinates, the biochar buffers the seed from overly acid soil conditions and increases soil quality over time. Soil aeration and nutrient retention are additional bonuses. Ag Energy tested the direct injection theory last fall, mixing the seed with the biochar in the direct seeder and applying it to a 2-acre plot in Dusty, Washington. We were able to see the biochar in the seed germination zone after seeding. That is the black circle you see in the lower left-hand corner. Results from this study will be available next summer. Why do farmers need biochar? Right now, farmers are concerned with the increasing acidification of soils due to fertilization and tillage practices. Ag Energy's biochar can be part of the solution. This spring, we are testing the benefit of biochar on seed germination. Using soil gathered from the fields of the Palouse, we have designed a field in a cup that imitates the acid soil layer currently being seen in some parts of the state. 1 1/2 inches of regular Palouse soil form the base, and 1 inch of acid Palouse soil mimics the seed planting depth. Adding biochar alone and in combination with other soil amendments, we are trying to learn what biochar can do when applied directly in this layer with the seed. This is the experiment after the plant started sprouting. We predicted that biochar and fly ash would help recover the acid soil and that seeds would germinate at the same rate as seeds germinating in the regular non-acid Palouse soil. We did not expect that the fly ash and fly ash biochar combination would outperform the regular Palouse soil. Preliminary results show that germinating wheat seeds will germinate faster in paper mill fly ash and paper mill fly ash with biochar when compared with regular, non-acid Palouse soil. With biochar, acid soil conditions are recovered. Reduced nitrogen leaching, pH buffering, and moisture absorption increase soil qualities necessary to retain important soil microbe populations. Many agronomists and farmers already know about the benefits of biochar through the history of terra preta soils. But did you know biochar is also used for mine reclamation? There are many uses and markets for biochar. Recent academic studies show that biochar can be used for refreshing oil and gas fracking water. Biochar is currently being used to create bioswales, which are landscape structures used to filter pollution and excess silt water from runoff. Certain types of biochar can be used to filter water. Some surprising uses of biochar include clothing additives and cosmetics. Biochar use depends on original feedstock, so there are many different uses unique to each type of biochar. Ag Energy's integrated biomass platform gives you the ability to make this powerful soil amendment available in your community to your family and neighbors.